Okay, so what makes a supplier a good one? Firstly, very, very important, you don't want to get scammed. A lot of scammers, they use mediums like Discord groups and Telegram channels and all these types of things, or WhatsApp groups, to try to contact you, showing you these awesome products, at great prices, and they usually just steal your money. So you want to avoid any scenario like that. It's very important that you confirm that they're legit. A good way to do it is see if they have a website. And if they have a website, check out their address. You want to see that it's an actual address and it's associated to their phone number and all these types of things. Give them a call, make sure everything is legit. If you're going to place an order for the first time, make it a very, very small order. Make it as small as possible. Even if they have MOQs, say, hey, this is a test order. I don't want to order a lot of products. Make sure the products are legit. If you do get scammed, make sure it's for a very small amount of money and not a large order where you lose a lot of money. So what are the good characteristics you want to see in a supplier? Firstly, you want them to be reliable. You don't want them to make mistakes. If they do make a mistake, you want them to rectify it immediately by either providing you a refund or by giving you a credit on your next order. Then you want good communication. So if you send them an email, you want them to respond. You don't want them to ignore you, and you want them to be available on the phone if you need to call them about an order, about a product, or whatever. Another good thing is for them to have Excel spreadsheets for price lists. If they have an Excel spreadsheet, all their prices are on an Excel spreadsheet, then you can easily process it with a scanner like Azure Advanced Analytics and instantly find the winners and push out purchase orders. Then lastly, you want them to be open to negotiation. So if you can order large quantities or order some of the rare stock that they might have available, for them to be able to drop the prices for you so you can make some money. You want them to be open to negotiation, building that relationship and building that partnership amongst the two of you so you can actually do real well together. Also, a good supplier will not let you just register with them instantly. They'll go through a process. They'll usually send you some forms. They'll usually want to see your business and your resale certificate before they open up an account for you. They have to see all these things. So there's many different stages. Someone who doesn't go through all these things, they're usually just a retailer, or again, they might be a scam.